country, but hell, I don't know it at all. One thing that's certain, and I think old Hank would agree, that sure don't sound like country to me. Well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it ain't Johnny, Merle, or Hank, or Waylon Jennings, yeah, if it ain't got that honky-tonk horn like Ernest Tubb had from the start, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, nowadays in Nashville is like the Hollywood of the South. So-called country singers singing songs they know nothing about. Swimming pools and fancy cars, dating them big-time movie stars. Well, that don't sound like country to me. Well, if it ain't broke, don't